Today I'll be working on Lexus ES300 and I'll be changing some sensors. So first what I'll do is open the the hood. And so what you want to do is lift up the jack, lift up your car, use the jack, make sure you use to put something under or for safety so it doesn't fall on you. And we'll be replacing, I believe it's bank 2. I believe bank 1 is in the back, bank 2 is on this side, and there's sensor 1 right there. I'm gonna leave 2 on the bottom. We'll be replacing the one that's on the bottom, and they're connected right in there. So if you go to the bottom, like this is catalytic converter, and then one right here, this is the one we're going to be replacing. And then the other one is, when you look here, it's right there. So one right here, and then one that goes up right there, and they're connected right in there. If you look here, connected right here, right under. So I'm gonna unconnect both of these, 1, 2, which they follow to this. And the tool you need is something like this, or if you can reach with a regular wrench, the number should be 7/8, or buy one of these tools. So what you want to do is, I took one out sensor, so take another one out. Since I'm replacing 2, you just press with the screwdriver really hard and then pull it. Do it again. Just like that, and that comes out. And then what you want to do is unscrew the sensor. First I'm going to unscrew this one. So you got this tool, or 7/8. Take one of these out. And there you go. So I took off my old one, and the way you can compare them, this is a new one, this is an old one. Make sure the plugs are similar, and which they are, like especially the plastic, the shape of it too. Once you compare it and it looks the same, you gotta make sure you put this, some kind of NTCs or something for the threads before you install it. Then you grab a tool and you hand tighten it. So there's two, 1, 2. So you plug this one in onto the top one, and to plug it in, it goes like this, just like that. And make sure it's inside, make sure it's tight and plugged in. Now I'm gonna replace the second one. It's right here. Same way, loosen it. And this one came out. This is what this one looks like. This shape. Pretty dirty. Same way replacing it. And I unplugged this back out because it was in my way. So once I install that one, I'll plug both of them in. So this one goes, I believe, on top, and this one from here goes on the bottom where it clicks in. So get the new one again, put that stuff anti-seize if it came with it for the threads. And install it. So the one from the back, that's over there. You bring it out and plug it in on top, and it'll go in like this way on top. Make sure when you plug it in it clicks when you're sure, and then make sure it clicks, and there you go. Same thing, the one that's right here, the second one that I screwed in, it goes to the bottom one, because they won't fit. They only fit in certain one, so this one goes for the bottom one, the one I installed second. Make sure same way, plug it in, make sure it clicks, just like that. Check, tight, and that's it. Lower your car, start the car, reset the battery. If you want, just unplug the battery, plug everything in, drive it for 30 minutes or 2 hours, then see if it comes on again, the check engine. It shouldn't, and that should be good. Or just drive it without unplugging the battery, see if that works. If it comes on the light, unplug the battery. Thank you for